Hello friends, myself Aniket Nikam. I welcome you all. Now we are going to solve the question on ER. Now we have studied the basics of ER diagram, notations, one-to-one, different relationships, type of relationships, how to convert ER model into table. In this video, we will solve some of the problem asked in GATE as well as NIC technical assistant. Okay. Now first question asked in GATE. That is now we have given the two like this diagram where A and B is an entity, and this you can see that the relationship is many to many relationship, and again the same relationship is many to one relationship. The example can be of this student and teacher. Okay, because one teacher teaches many students, and also can many teachers can teach many students. Okay, so now how to solve the problem? The question asked is how many minimum and maximum, what is the minimum number of tables are formed when we convert this ER into the tables, and what are the maximum number of tables can be formed. Okay, so now in designing we always try to have a minimum number of tables because that is the best design strategy. Okay, now understand the according to the rule that we have studied. Now what we will do is we are going to have one table for A. Okay, so now we are including one table for A. Okay, so first table will be of A, another table will be of B, second table, and third table will be consist of, we are going to include the attributes primary key of A and B, and we are going to, for M to M relationship, we are going to have a one table. That is what you can understand. We can have a third table, and that is what like we will add like combination of A and B, and we will add the primary keys of A as well as B, and if we have relationship having some attribute, we will add also this table. Okay, and in the case of M to like many to one relationship, what is the strategy that we generally modify M set table. Okay, and include the primary keys of other table. So in this way minimum table can be a 3 table. Okay, now according to rule we can create a separate table for this also, but the best strategy is if this is overlapping, many to many also consist of many to one, one to many relationship. Okay, so that is already there, so no need to go for the 4 table. We will be okay with 3 tables. So the number of minimum tables will be 3 tables. It's sufficient for converting this ER into the tables. Okay, another question asked in NILET technical assistant A for STQC in October 2017. The question is ER model uses this symbol to represent the weak entity set that we have studied in our video series of like ER fourth lecture of ER model, and in that I have told in like symbols. We have studied different symbols for that. So now which option you feel, you can write in the comment box. So the option is definitely doubly outlined rectangle like this, which represents the weak entity. Okay, so now we have to have this as a doubly rectangle which represents the weak entity. This type of question can be asked. This is a very simple question, but based on your remembrance, so we should be studying thoroughly for this ER model. Okay, there are many questions, interesting questions in asked in ER. One by one we are going to solve those questions. So thank you very much. If you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.